Welcome to our channel. Troubleshooting 5 common errors in Wi-Fi router the easy way. Slow internet speed. If your internet feels slow, restart your router and modem. Sometimes a quick reboot clears temporary glitches and improves speed. No internet connection. When the router shows no internet, check the cables and power supply first. If all looks fine, contact your ISP to confirm service status. Frequent disconnections. If your Wi-Fi keeps dropping, change the router's channel and settings to avoid interference from nearby networks. Weak signal coverage. Place your router in a central, open location at home. Avoid walls, corners, and appliances that block Wi-Fi signals. Router overheating. Overheating can cause slowdowns or shutdowns. Keep your router in a ventilated area and clean the vents regularly. Forgotten Wi-Fi password. If you forget the password, log into the router's admin page or use the mobile app to reset or view the Wi-Fi credentials. Device not connecting. Restart the device and router, then reconnect to Wi-Fi. If it still fails, remove the saved network and add it again. Firmware outdated. An outdated firmware causes performance issues. Update your router firmware through the manufacturer's app or website. Too many devices connected. Too many users can slow down the network. Limit background downloads or upgrade to a higher bandwidth plan if needed. Factory reset option. If nothing works, perform a factory reset on your router. This restores default settings and usually fixes most major errors. Thank you for watching.